Uh, oh wait, this isn't gonna work out. Draw up the. Oh wait, it's gonna work out either. Pause. Uh, you can test it out. So as it turns out, I do not feel so well whenever I record for straight, basically straight, without pausing video. It's just really difficult when I'm actually thinking about something. So I basically hid all of these, and the reason for that is, you know, right now I'm trying to build a tile system so that I can make my life easier. And yeah, basically making a tile system. No, a tile class. And yeah, I'm just thinking of a solution for now. So as it turns out, I just want to load every texture. Right. And I want all the tiles to basically receive that, to automatically register themselves to tile. Maybe this should be called tile manager, but I'm really lazy to think about that right now. This is just not working out because I gotta load each one of them. If I were to keep on creating new tiles or new normal waters, say for example this one, new normal grass, it's not gonna work that way because it's just not. Because I would have to load it, right? But my plan is to basically have them automatically loaded here. Ah, yes, that's right. Stupid. Ah, come on, man. What the heck? So how does this work? Is it like, you and since there's just a bunch of keys to it, and alright, so basically, there you go. Normal grass, and then the texture 2D. Ah, but there's no texture 2D though. Oh my god. My god. Oh no. Oh wait. Hmm? Oh, I'm really, really confused. Oh no. What? I don't actually complain that much when I'm not recording. Hmm. Hmm. I could take in the string, but it's not gonna work. I mean, I could just make a new texture to be. Like, it just doesn't work that way. I need to pass in a bunch of strings, basically a list of strings. It's no longer a dictionary, but it's gonna be. Um, types. I don't know. That's this actually came from the new type stuff that I made here. Normal grass and normal water. Yeah, same formats from just codes. That's about it. Okay. All right. Oh wait. What is this little texture to me? Hey, this isn't gonna work. So say for example I have this, and I would want to draw it. If I were to draw it, I'm going to be referring to the tile class. But it's supposed to be inherited so that once I draw it. Oh wait. Hmm. So this is actually an abstract class. This isn't gonna work. It's an abstract class. So whenever I call it draw, it's here. But there just needs to be a tile loader, basically, tile texture loader something, where I get to load all the tiles, and that's where I'm gonna be referring to. And that's basically the sprite contents that I'm gonna be having here. So the texture 2D I should be taken from should be the type name and the texture 2D. Okay. Oh, what CD? Doesn't make sense. Public class. Alright, did he set up the timer? Yeah. Sprite, no sprites. Um, so it's gonna have this set of tiles. And that's where I'm gonna be getting the texture 2Ds. Right? So basically, all of these are basically set up in the tile manager. So we need to have the texture 2D here. Textures. And honestly, it's just a bunch of textures. I'm gonna say normal grass. And it's not necessarily structure. And I'm gonna have basically public static. It's like public static topics. this is an array, and I can make it a list. Um, so since I've got a bunch of these, really I'm just gonna have a public static void. It's a void, right? Has a content manager, and basically it can only look true. Um, is it like count? Oh no, it is length. Hmm. So basically, tile textures. Never mind. So tile textures. Actually, this needs to be a dictionary. Dictionary string, and so basically dot add what tile types. Yeah, this needs to be the particular thing that I'm looking for. Maybe I could just add in contents dot load texture 2D tile types. So this is it, right? So I have the set of tiles, tile manager, and yeah, since this is a static void, really what's going on is I'm accessing all the tiles. So I set up all the tiles here, and I basically call in the load contents, and I'm just gonna set this off into a. I kind of forgot what that's called. What's the the class where you make an instance that can be used here universally throughout the project, like a stat, you know, the one within a static class. What? Singleton. Thank you. That's right. Basically, I'm gonna make this into a singleton once it works. But if it doesn't work yet, then not a singleton for now. So it's tile. And instead of having it here, basically what I'm gonna do is the texture 2D is just gonna be equal to tile types or tile manager dot tile textures. So it's a public class, right? Dot get value. Never mind. It's basically this one. Type name. So that's how simple it is. Oh my god! It's actually really simple. Honestly, it's oh my god, it's actually feeling amazing. I actually feel amazing. Wow, I feel so smart. This is just for testing purposes, anyways. Never mind. Um, public normal grass, and once again, I'm gonna say int frame base type. Basically, grass. No, finish. So when it comes to tile, I once again need the frames. So, and it's just a frame. It's just gonna be the frame. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, I guess. What? Why am I so stupid? Pathetic, man. Really pathetic. Protected in frame. I didn't need to call it there. I could just go here and just set off. Well, frame is going to be equal to frame. I'm just going to say this because it's a protected class. And this might cause some readability issues. I don't know. I just feel like doing it this way. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Right. What next? So now that I've loaded it, the heck I keep clicking that button. This one. Right. So basically this is the texture, which is loaded already. Actually, haven't really loaded it yet. So basically top textures is pretty much empty. But the load content, it needs to be called within the world. It's really pretty simple. Where are the managers? No, manager top for contents. Mm, I think I'm actually done. After what I've done, this is actually how simple it is. You know? Yeah, this is it. That's pretty cool. Damn, I feel so badass. Struck it. Okay. Public, normal, water. Int frame, base, normal, water, name. What's that frame? But there's one issue here. When did I actually use this? Here, the tech name. So I basically put it in here and I just refer to it here. And when it comes to chunks, basically it's new, normal, water, and type in the frame. Ah, oh, is it gonna work? There you go, it didn't work. Of course, I expected it not to work. Object reference set instance of an object. So it's either sprite batch or pause, but it's mainly probably pause. It's pause. I'm definitely sure of it. Wait, what? Sprite batch? Huh. It cannot be sprite batch. Like, I could just make this vector to 0. Or maybe the sprite. Yeah, that's right. It's the sprite. Sprite is not set to an instance yet. Uh-huh. Stupid me. Yeah. Stupid. Oh, wait. Is this even called? This isn't called yet. The right. Um, the load method isn't called. Yeah, it's not called at all. How can I do that? Oh my god. I see the problem now. I kind of see the problem. Ah, yeah, okay, I see. When I'm drawing the function, okay, I see now. What's the point of putting it here when I just put in the texture, not the sprite? I need to put in the sprite itself. Basically, sprite, take the new sprite. And then I will just basically copy and paste this whole thing here. I mean, expected. Where? Here? Okay. 0.2f and 1f. Simple. Yay, there you go. So now I'm not necessarily referring to a sprite, I'm actually referring to the sprite of the entity of the tile manager. Tile manager dot bad name, tile sprite. That's what you call it. That's basically it. That feature readability issues exist. Right. That's how simple it is. So tile textures, basically tile sprites. So now I have it loaded. I no longer need this. Right. So I have this. It's called. So I've been working for this. It's about 2 hours now. My Pomodoro. Gotta take a bit of rest. But it's still not set to an instance of an object. So is a vector. This isn't the issue, right? Okay. Okay. Is equal to. Oh, right. So since. Hey, what the hell am I talking about? Although I have the tile sprites. I see. You see this type name here? The sprite is going to be equal to entity manager dot elements tile manager dot tile sprites type name, and this is basically it. So what's the purpose of this? No, it has no use. And primary construct. Wow, amazing. But the frame though. Right. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Holy what? You see? This is just stupid. You know what? To make things easier, I'm just gonna call it load. Never mind. Sprite set for it's an automatic thing. It's always gonna be for sprite dot. So I guess it is something that is supposed to be initialized here. So so when it comes to tile types, I'm supposed to pass in name. But there isn't this frame. So just to make it a lot easier. And now that I have the frame set, Oh, my coffee's gone. Pomodoro. I still need to do the Pomodoro. Okay, just one whole square. What is the cause? Um, I can find it. Amazon. Okay, never mind. Although I'm drawing them, they're not necessarily at the right position. What else wrong? Like, why is it not drawing at the right position? I mean, it's drawing, right? It's drawing water, it's drawing whatever. It's happening. No, it doesn't draw the water, it only draws the grass. It draws one whole grass as well, just one whole grass. That's it. Ah, wait, towers are drawn. Wait, what? Chunk plus? I added this before? Yay! Okay, that's. Oh, whoa. The water is not being drawn. The water is not being drawn. And I don't know why. The water's not being drawn. It's spelled normal water. Normal water. Normal water. So if I were to type in, let's say, normal water, what's gonna happen to you? Oh, right, that's right. I totally forgot. Okay, so now it's working. It's actually working now. I totally forgot that I did not add any design to the water stuff. And yeah, what I mean is, you see, it's basically just plain blue color. There's nothing in it. That's why it feels so damn, feels like I'm out of bounds or something. And the only thing left is to, again, add the offset. So just basically adding this one. Okay, now it's working. I have a working tile system. The tile manager is, I can probably just add an instance to it. And the point of this is, can I actually initialize it here? Never mind, I don't want to try. So this is it. Oh, I clicked that again. I have normal water, normal grass, and a bunch of other stuff. So that this time, I really do not have to force myself to put every single thing on one tile sheet. I can separate them into different PNGs, different, yeah, pictures. Okay, as this is done, tile system, no. This is basically the load function, and basically the draw function, and it's an abstract class. So that's, yeah, let's go. So now the only thing left is to add an instance. It's going to be of its static. Tile manager. Um, I don't know. When do you use single? that only one object can exist. Why use using So basically, my understanding here is that when you are doing some functional programming, you just want to export functions, you use static classes. So I guess the best way to do this is make this into a singleton. Um, Cal render is pretty much useless. I'm gonna be removing that in the future. So it's in the load contents, right? Comment here dot instance instance dot load. Wait, what? Can be accessed with instance reference qualified with a typing state. What do you mean? What the hell? Is it because of this? See? Well, this is a static dictionary, which I'm gonna be removing. Now this is also a static string, which I'm gonna be removing as well. So instead of doing this, I'm gonna do an instance. There you go. And basically, just for safer stuff, maybe. It just felt satisfying to write some code. That's why I did this. Now I have a working tile class. Right, so each tile is always going to be in a fixed size. Although it looks really ugly. Now I'm re-implement my double grid system, which I have developed once again. Can I remove this actually? Anyway, so git add git commit and tile class and tile manager working successfully. And yeah. Now I can remove this. Add an offset. I've already done that. Now the only thing left is this one. You see, there's just a bunch of stuff here. a bunch of stuff going on. So if it's a grass, then you set up into grass. But honestly, that's no longer the case anymore. Oh my god, I gotta configure them one by one. Ah, it's gonna make me cry. So it's gonna be new normal grass. And the usual grass is gonna be 6. Oh lord. Oh my god. It's a lot. Wait, what time is it? Oh, my Pomodoro! Yeah, I gotta take a bit of rest. Sorry. That's about it. It's control shift R. Okay, Pomodoro, it's now gone. Now I gotta manually convert all these stuff into the things here. So as you can see, the fourth one here is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm guessing it's this one. So it's new normal grass. This, I guess. This one right here. Ah, this one. Let's, yeah, this. So it's 4, 8, 12. Is it 12? No, it's not 12. 16th, and this is basically the 16th block, so 15, yeah, I guess. And new normal grass. Never mind. What is it? 5? So the fifth one is, yeah, this one. And to get that, you have this one, 0, 1, 2. It's basically new normal grass. I keep forgetting. 6. So the 6, yeah, this one. Basically the 7th. 7. This one, the other way around. What are you? So this is 7, 8, 9, 10. It's basically the 10th. So 14. 14. Oh, right, 14. Where the hell is 14? So 4, 8, 12, 13, 14. This is 14. Oh, wait, 14? This is 14. So it's basically this one. 4, 8. No, no, no. 4, 8, 12, 11, 12. I'm actually just guessing. I'm guessing a lot of these. Uh-huh. The 12. 4, 8, 12. Yeah, the one at the top. Okay. This one. It's 4, 8, 9, 10. It's basically 9. Oh my god, where am I? It's 9. Yes. I'm kind of getting tired of this. So basically, the first block is invisible. I mean, it's not grass. and then it's grass, and then it's grass, and then it's grass. Holy smokes! I'm giving myself a harder time. I should have made the abstraction already. I just want to see it happen first. So it's new normal. Grass, grass, grass. So they're all grass? Wait, they're all grass? No. Grass, grass, grass. That's basically. And this happens with here. 4, 5, 6. Just the fifth one. Okay, I'm getting closer, I'm getting closer. Not grass, not grass, not grass. And there's only one grass. So here. This 12, 11, 13, which is basically 12. There's only one grass in the bottom tile. And that is here, the first one. That's really lucky. So it's new normal. It's 0. And next is the right tile is the grass one. This one. 8. Yeah, it's basically 8. Okay, should I pause the video? Yeah, I guess I should pause the video. Sorry. Okay, now that I'm done here, it's time to test. Oh, surprise, surprise, nothing happens. Okay. What the hell? Oh, wait, seriously, nothing actually happened here. Okay, that's... Nothing happened. Why? I'm actually genuinely confused. Wait, let me see. What if it's 2? I mean, it works. It works, but none of these are actually happening. Current tile. The right tile is not grass. The tile is grass. I'm missing something. And I guess I really shouldn't have erased this. I mean, you know, the code here. Because my guess is that it has something to do with that. I didn't really change anything. All I changed are these, you know, offset tiles x, y, equals and new normal graphs. Okay. New. It's not working. It's not drawn anywhere. I had it working back then. So vector 2 object tiles x, y, draw. Yeah, it's kind of working now. But none of these are working. As in, it does not detect these, basically. It's just not detected. But Which is basically what's happening. It's not detected. Hmm. When I'm referring to tile type, it returns basically a string only. So it's not necessarily a problem because I'm getting a string, right? And normally it works, but I don't know what's making it not work. Okay, I'm gonna check out my GitHub. Never mind. So, is it chunk? Yeah. Where are they? Is it in graphics? Yeah. Oh, I haven't pushed it. So so you see, this actually works. I just set up a value and then I change it that according to that. According to that value. And for some reason, heck, it still doesn't work. Because none of these are true. None of those are true. Not anymore. So looking at this is the old code that I had. Tile frame, tile atlas, frame is going to be equal to offset tiles. Huh? Wait, maybe I have some. Yeah, I guess I have something wrong here. No, no, no. There's nothing wrong here, actually. No. They're referring to the same sprite. Oh. I see, I see, I see. Sprite dot frame is the equal to frame. Yeah, I guess this is it. So each time I draw them, I will have to set up the frame to be equal to that. Is this going to cause some issues? Probably. Well, look what happened now. That's just stupid. Yeah, there are issues now to the code because I would have to reload them. Since they're referring to the same sprite. What the hell is this? What the hell happened now? I'm referring to 6, right? Sprite is equal to, the type. The type, okay? And I just basically changed sprite frame into sprite. how can I make a new version of make a copy of an object instead of assigning to a variable? Copy an action created to become version. What? Shallow copy. Oh no, I gotta do this. As it turns out, it was a very bad idea to have them refer to one sprite. Oh, it's just a bad idea, I guess. I forgot the timer. I forgot the palm timer. Why is it changing though? Why is the sprite changing? It's suddenly changing. Like I'm referring to the frame. Ah, okay. Sorry. This is that frame. And then honestly couldn't probably just set this up. So is it still a bad idea if it works? If it works, then it works. Okay. Heck, I'm happy now. Whew. And the only problem now is the assignment. So because I probably did not assign the right one here, I wasn't able to assign the right grass tile. Basically, I set off an invisible one, maybe that's the case. And then, yeah, it's working again. Yay. Okay. Okay. Just, and as it turns out, it's this one where basically, um, block, it's block, it's block. So this is blank. Blank. So I think that's just the only grass is the right button. So I'm guessing that this one, 15. Only grass is the right button. So this is 15. Ah, 15, 14, 13. I guess it's 13. Oh, wait. I got it wrong. Okay. Um, this isn't it. What I'm looking for is this one. Okay. And the only one that's grass is the right button here. So it's supposed to be 13, I guess. For some reason it chose. Yeah, there you go. It's working now. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So all I ever did was basically set up a tile. It's already working from the very beginning. Now, what I need now is set up the abstraction for this one. So, yeah, it's basically. How am I supposed to know? Oh, heck. Oh, hell. hell no, man. Hell no. Alright. Now I'm gonna set up the abstraction. So, hmm. Ah, wait. This needs to be an integer. Basically, I'm trying to get the name, and what I need to get is the offset. The vectors. No, it's not. It's a bunch of strings, right? It's a bunch of strings. Ah, yes, that's right. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. That's right. Heck right. The heck, it's right. Um, I just need these four values. Yeah. So for this particular section, find grass. In VS Code, how do you find and replace things only in one section? Control Alt Enter to replace only. Select the text region and mask. Control H to toggle find like here. Control H. But it selects every single one of them. You're looking for it in selection. Ah, you are looking to put this in your settings. Where did I find the usually places? Or did I find it? Ah, wait, there's a language selection. Oh, okay, this is pretty cool. Now I'm just gonna change this to um, why does not exist in the current context? What do you mean? Oh my god, there's a bunch of stuff that I gotta take count of. The offset tile X and Y. I gotta just pass this in, which is a normal water, or basically a tile, right? Um, and gonna say, okay, this isn't gonna work. If I were to set this in like this, then int, there's a bunch of stuff. Ah, oh my lord. I don't need this. I don't really need this. In fact, I'm gonna, you know, so it's just the values that I need. So return 6. Actually, it's gonna be int value, int index, frame. A tile frame? Usually 0. And so I just basically tile frame equals equal to 6. And I would just basically do the same thing here. But instead of having it this way, just, huh? I'm just gonna, what do you mean? Like this one? What do you mean? Huh? No, there is a use for that. There is a use why I'm doing that. You're confusing me. Pomodoro again. Um, Holy smokes. I'm actually looking for this. You stupid bastard. I hate you. There you go, huh? New normal. Basically grass. Basically, change that into outframe. It's gonna be equal to. So, and now that I have this, I can basically just go here and return. Okay, let's look. Return. Wait, what is this? What is this? No? Okay. Yay, easy. Easy. It's like get neighbor. Get neighbors. Tell grass. That's it, right? Curd tiles. Curd tile, bot tile, rights tile, right bots. This is heavenly. What? Come on. Seriously? Use of unassigned local variable. Exactly. See? This is exactly what I'm talking about. Copilot. You're telling me some stupid stuff. It's not working. Of course it will not be working. Um, get neighbors. Tile type, grass, curd tile, pot tile, right tile. Wait, curd tile, bot tile, right bot tile. I'm doing it right. And we got this. Almost on. I put that tile frame to 6. And I put all this stuff together so that it could change. Right? And then I return the tile frame. Honestly, it's just not working. And the way I look at this, when you take out grass, set up the value for it, normal grass. Um, so I just get the neighbors. What the hell is this? I mean, why is it work? Oh yeah, it's working. That's right. This is correct. String, tile tile, curve tile, blood tile, right tile. If curve tile is equal to tile, oh whoa 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 whoa, what the hell is this? Hmm. Um. Basically, I'm checking it is the case, but at the default it's gonna be 0. Ah, I see, I see. Maybe I should just select curve tile. And depending on the curve tile, if curve tile is actually equal to grass, if curve tile, then I would just be using the same. Actually, this basically makes stuff happen a lot more. So by default, because normally I would just set it up to a new grass. Else, I'm not going to be setting it up to anything if it happens to not be anything at all. That is why this is what's happening, right? Honestly, maybe it shouldn't be this way. There could just be, like, say for example, one line of code here, that takes this, and it's not always going to be grass, right? Instead of it being always grass, I'm just going to set it curve tile. And what I'm going to be checking is if curve tile is equal to the current tile. Oh, what the hell am I talking about? Ah, wait. No, 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 no. Okay, there's way more problems here than I thought. Okay. Mm, the idea is you get a tile type, and that is the current curve tile. Then you check what it is. If it's water, it's this one. Something is just wrong. I'm not necessarily getting the neighbors. In fact, what I'm getting is the actual time gets the time thing. Otherwise, it's equal to 0. Which is just completely wrong. Yeah, I think this whole code base is wrong. Instead, I should be checking for the right what type it is. Is it the next one? What type is it? Next one type, what type is it? Next one, what type is it? Then I'm gonna make a conclusion based on that. So if mm, current time is equal to, say, for example, water. I think what's wrong is I should have abstracted these instead. Yeah, maybe these are the ones that I need to abstract instead of this stupid other thing. Yeah. And what I'm going to be returning is uh, by default tab parameter equal to 6. And just going to get my glasses. Kanin po kaya. There's just two scenarios. When it's equal and when it's not equal. By default, it's -1. No, I can make it something as stupid as that. Hmm. That's basically it. But I still think this whole code is ugly, but it's working. It just doesn't feel right, doesn't it? No, never mind. There's probably not gonna be much. Whoa, whoa, what the hell? So, there's not gonna be a difference because they're getting replaced, anyways. One thing I noticed is that this can actually be a list of tiles. As you can see, it's basically a string of tiles. No, the offset tiles is basically this. Well, it can actually contain a list instead. So it's like, um, I don't get it. Yes, I get it now. It's basically getting the list. Now you're gonna get really confused. Okay, what the heck, bro? Like, the heck? And basically, what's going on is you're listing a bunch of tiles and then you're adding them. So here's the problem, right? So, mm, if option sige po is not equal to is equal to no, well then I'm just gonna basically make a new one. Offset tiles x and y is gonna be equal to new list. Just basically an empty one. And it might just basically this. Now what we're gonna do is just gonna say dot add and then boom boom skabuski, it's gonna work out. It's gonna be the same thing here. And there's gonna be grass value. Now the only thing wrong is when I'm going to draw it. So basically what's going to be doing here is this one. So what I'm going to do is make a for loop. So basically for int I is equal to 0 as long as I is less than offset tiles dot count I plus plus this count not actually work document. So what I'm going to do is basically offset tiles x and y dots. Now I'm going to be selecting the I dot draw. I can basically do this. Uh, Easy. Okay, this doesn't work. Index was out of range. What do you mean? Huh? Wait, what? What the hell do you mean? Okay, now it's just all a bunch of waters. Just a bunch of waters now. Because water is actually added to all of them. So basically below them is just always water. And yeah. Wait, that doesn't make sense. It actually doesn't make sense. What? If not equal to the basically that. Just basically add this. Oh, what? Normal grass. Heck. Wait, I got the other way around now. Since what I'm drawing is the one below, which is basically the water. So water has become the priority. The priority. For some reason, it says that it's out of bounds. Wow. How so? How is it out of bounds? Should I subtract it by 1? Ah, I see. I see what you're doing here. Sorry. Um, Sorry. My bad. My bad. X and Y. So I see. It's now count, right? Oh my God! It's working. Oh, it's actually working. I am extremely happy. Let's go. It's actually working. It's actually working. Heck. Let's go. I probably do not need this. This is written in my last commit, anyways. It's gonna be totally fine. But there's this very verbose writing that I'm still going to need to fix. And also, all cases are not here. Basically, not all the cases are here. There are some cases that I have not discovered yet, which is basically this one and this one. So in case that happens, which I don't really know when that's going to be happening, currently I have not encountered that in the game. So I'm not really sure what's going to be, what it's going to look like if I were to encounter that in the game so far. Say for example, this one. Ah, yeah, I can find an example really. The corners are actually really, really round. Oh, this actually looks really beautiful. I gotta admit. I'm trying to find an example where that other thing might actually happen. You know the edge case? Here's the problem, right? So say for example, yeah, now I see the case. Where is this? I'm gonna have to find that each and every time. I'm gonna have to debug. Um, Basically the idea is, okay, I don't need this anymore. Is if you, this is current tile, this is last time. Current tile, last time. So if this is the case, and the right button is the else, I know what, so I'm just gonna copy and paste this one. All these are not equal, and the only one that's equal is the bottom. Then I'm gonna be selecting this one. It's basically the fourth one. And now for the other case, it's the other way around. So basically, the right tile is the case, but the bottom tile is also the case. The bottom tile is not the case. And this is going to be happening um, this is base 15, so it's 14. Now that it's done, all that's left is to look for it. And it's going to take a very long time. That is why I'm going to increase the speed of the waves. Yeah, there you go. It finally worked. This feels amazing. Okay, so now that I'm done with the dual grid system, actually not yet. I'm gonna have to fix this code. It looks really ugly. If I can find a way to fix this, then I guess that's about it. But so far, I've done it. I've actually done it. The only thing left is to reinitializing this noise value because I've got the sand, I've got all sorts of stuff, and I would have to make my own. I just gotta change the color of these, and I can actually make them now. Yeah, I can make them now in this video because I just gotta change the color and just put some design once it works. Yeah. Also, this is really verbose. Okay, this is actually the real problem. It's verbose. Hmm. Ah, I see. I see. I see. Ah, I can think of a better solution. This is really the only solution that I have in mind for now. Like, instead of trying to put all these values here, trying to check for them one by one, I can just do it this way. And if it's something else, say for example, that the neighbor is actually something else, actually, I might need the code somewhere else here. Yeah, this one. Um, Sand value. I'm just gonna call this sand, and actually this is gonna be sand. Actually, this is gonna be stone value and stone value. Stone and sand. But there's something wrong, and that is obviously the fact that I still haven't made their classes here yet. So for the tile types. Honestly, I can't make them yet because, like I said, the tile C is not here. So I'm just gonna eat, and it's been an hour and a half already. So I'm just gonna be eating, and yeah, it's time for another set of pomodoros. Okay. Oh, never mind. Yes. Nobody probably wants to see this, but no, it's actually really simple. You just gotta put in different colors. That's why. For the grass, it's gonna be this one, and for the stones, this one. I don't know. I'll be adding snow, I guess. This one. And what I could do is just export them one day up. That's it. Exports sorted frames. It's basically same. And then export this one as what basically you'd call stone. And this is snow. Yeah, that's about it. That's what you call snow. And I'm gonna have something that you call basically dark grass. I don't know. It just exists. Dark grass just exists. Oh, wait, what? I guess this one's a lot more appropriate. Um, exports. No, it's not. Exports. We call this dark grass. Honestly, never mind. So now I've got all sorts of stuff. Actually, I can just copy and paste them. And I would have um, stone base. Stone as well. Snow. Wait, sand. I totally forgot sand. Now what's going on? Sand. The hell? You just and I can just basically copy and paste this again. No, I guess double spacing is pretty much useless here. And this one as well. And what I could do instead of sand is maybe dark grass. Dark grass. Okay. So now that this is actually done, we can just basically go to contents. It's dark grass, stone, snow, sand. Yeah, that's it. And now that this is done, I can just go to chunk. And I got all sorts of stuff. Like get neighbors grass. But grass is the same. Ah, so I gotta type in normal grass. It's gonna be normal water. water. So it's gonna be normal water and normal grass. They're always gonna be on top of treasure, on top of treasure, and got sand and stuff. And I've also got dark grass, basically dark grass. It's insane. Something like that. So now I'm just gonna say dark grass, just gonna say stone, and just gonna say sand, and I'm just gonna say grass. Yeah, I kind of also forgot snow. Snow exists. Basically snow. Bad naming conventions. Well, it's gonna be really bad for me in the future. Sun value, sand value, and grass value. Oh my god, checking for grass value? Holy what? One thing you notice is all of these are pretty much useless because what I should do is basically add whatever that's happening. You know what? Fine. I'm gonna try and fix this code here, but I cannot think that while I'm recording. That is why I got this verbose code. Hmm. Honestly, it should work. But dark grass and all these are not necessarily going to be happening in the first place, since I haven't really set up a nice for it. So else, if noise value is greater than 0 and noise value is less than or equal to something like 0.2, to no, 0.1f, then I'm going to be returning sand. Then else if happens to be greater than 0.1f, then up to 0.4L, 0.2L. Actually, I'm going to set this to 0.04F, 0.04F, 0.2F. It's going to be a normal grass. Now what I'm going to be doing is basically I'm going to set up stone values. So 0.2F up to 0.24F. I'm going to set this to stone. And up to 0.24F, 0.3F, 0.35F. I'm going to set this to dark grass. And after basically 0.34F, 0.4F, I'm going to set this to snow. Actually, I can just erase this, and everything is just going to be snow. Yay! Now, Oh, and well, I guess my drawing is just really bad. But as it turns out, it's actually kind of working, as you can see. What the hell is this? My god. They do not stick to each other properly. And it's my sprite sheet that's wrong here. And turns out that stone is a bit whatever that is, dark grass. And maybe I can just set up to 0.4 half, 0.44 half. And yeah, this is about it. Turns out that the sand actually has a lot of space for it. So what I'm gonna be doing now is see it. Oh, it's a lot less. It doesn't look good at all. This is actually the proper value that I have. So if it's greater than 0.02, then it's sand. This is actually it. It's 0.02. Ah, this is for water. No, just 0.02 to 0.15. Hmm, interesting. So normal grass is 0.15. It's basically 15. And as it turns out, after 15, 0.25 is the stones. And being diligent to keep the oneness of the spirit, uniting bond of peace. Being diligent to keep the oneness of the spirit, in the uniting bond of peace. Spirit. Hope of your calling and faith and baptism. Our Father, on true original. It's actually working, I guess. I mean, it looks okay, but when I zoom in, as you can see, they do not align with each other. Because I pretty much just guessed around. Yeah, they just do not align with each other. You know, bunch of spaces. So it's my sprite sheet that's doing this. So it's the sprite sheet's fault, really. And honestly, they are not connecting with each other as well. But once again, it's basically the spreadsheet. So this is basically it. You know, I've done it. The dual grid system is done. The dual grid system is done. The only thing left, the only problem I have left is basically whatever it is. Yeah. I still got 9 minutes, and I'm gonna try and fix this code here so that instead of having to basically take a look at these one by one, I can probably just loop through them and get a dictionary of what are the keys of. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. Huh. Wait, doesn't that mean that I'm gonna have to look through every single thing? That's just really stupid. Okay, I'm thinking of a solution. It's gonna pause. So I kind of realized something. That is because I keep on checking for each one of them. When in reality, I should just check on what is the current time. So I'm just gonna be checking for what is the current time. Check for the current time. And I'm gonna be checking for, so basically I got the current time for about time. So the only thing that I need is to check, say for example, if it's the current style, right style, bot tile, and right bot tile. I'm just gonna check for their combinations. If all four of them are different, then I'm gonna be drawing all four of them. See? If only three of them are different, so that is basically it, right? So say for example, if fertile is equal to right side, then one thing's for sure. And at the same time, fertile is equal to both side. Then one thing's for sure, just gonna be drawing fertile in that particular case, right? So I'm gonna make an point. Actually, no. So this is what we're gonna be ending this video. I'm just gonna do this for the next, and yeah.